Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your network settings if your network is not working in your Vivo smartphone. How you can just fix this problem if you are just tapping on your network or open airplane mode and it is not showing and your network is not showing on the top of the battery sign. How you can just fix it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. First you have to go to the settings option like this, then swipe down. Let's open the system setting, and friends, you can see the system setting is open, and now you have to click on reset option, and then there is a reset mobile network. Click on this and you have to reset setting by tapping on reset setting like this, and your network setting has been reset. Now you can just restart your phone and your network is now working properly. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.